Hello there. Welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in starting affiliate marketing but don't have a website, don't worry. Continue watching. Today we're talking about how you can start affiliate marketing without needing a website. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, let's dive into it. First things first, let's break down affiliate marketing in simple terms. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's one of the best ways to make money online without creating your own product. But here's the big question. Can you do all of this without having your own website? And the answer is yes, you absolutely can. Let's look at the top strategies you can use to get started with affiliate marketing without a website. Number 1. Social media. This is one of the most powerful tools for affiliate marketing. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or TikTok, you can use these platforms to promote affiliate products. The key here is to build an audience by sharing content that resonates with people. Let's say you're into fitness. You can share workout tips, healthy recipes, and personal experiences while subtly promoting affiliate links to products you love, like supplements, workout gear, or even fitness apps. By using these platforms effectively, you can reach thousands of people without the need for a website. Plus, if you're consistent with your content and provide value, your audience will start trusting you. And trust is key when it comes to affiliate marketing. The more your audience trusts you, the more likely they are to click your links and make a purchase. Next up, email marketing. Now, this one might surprise you, but you don't need a website to start building an email list. You can use platforms like System.io, a free forever, all-in-one marketing platform to create landing pages. From there, you can offer free resources like ebooks, cheat sheets, or guides in exchange for an email address. Collect emails here and start sending email campaigns. Once you have a list, you can send targeted emails promoting your affiliate products. The beauty of email marketing is that you own your list. Even if the platform changes, you can still contact your audience using your list. Just remember, when you're sending affiliate offers, don't spam your list. Offer value and let them know why you're recommending the products. That's how you build trust and increase your conversions. Moving on to YouTube and video marketing. If you're comfortable on camera, YouTube is an excellent platform for affiliate marketing. You don't need a website to get started. All you need is a channel, and you can include affiliate links in the video description. For example, you can create a product review, a tutorial, or even a best of list where you feature affiliate products. By offering value through engaging videos, you build trust, and your viewers will be more likely to click through your links. It's important to disclose your affiliate links to your audience. Being transparent is key to maintaining credibility. But once you start getting traction, you can turn your YouTube channel into a steady stream of income with affiliate links. Next up, forums and communities. Whether it's Reddit, Quora, or niche-specific forums, these platforms are goldmines for affiliate marketers. You can answer questions, provide helpful advice, and share your affiliate links when it makes sense. Just make sure to follow the community rules so you don't come off as too salesy. Think of it this way. You're helping someone solve a problem, and if the product you're recommending fits the solution, then you're doing both them and yourself a favor. It's all about being genuine and offering real value in your responses. When people find your advice useful, they'll trust your recommendations. And that's when the affiliate links start converting. Finally, influencer partnerships. If you don't have a website, you can still partner with influencers who have a strong following. You can reach out to influencers within your niche and collaborate with them on affiliate promotions. These partnerships can include sponsored posts, shoutouts, or affiliate product reviews. By leveraging someone else's audience, you can gain exposure to a wider crowd, and the affiliate commissions can add up fast. Influencer partnerships can work on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or even TikTok. All you need is a pitch, a great offer, and someone willing to promote your affiliate links. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing without a website is not only possible, it's actually pretty simple if you leverage the right tools and platforms. Whether you're using social media, email marketing, YouTube, forums, or influencers, there are plenty of ways to make affiliate marketing work for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might be interested in affiliate marketing. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to get started. Happy marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.
This entire video and voiceover were created using InVideo AI from script to final output in just 23 minutes. Check the description for more details about InVideo.